But my mentor, Bob Proctor, who is the only person on this planet Earth who studied personal development for more than 60 years, says that law of attraction is a secondary law. The main law is law of vibration. So probably you could ask me now, what is law of vibration? Law
Yes.
of vibration is again a law in the universe. Everything in universe vibrates, right? If I take this phone, it vibrates, and if I take a pen, it is vibrating. So everything is vibrating at a certain frequency, and we as human beings, we are vibrating at a certain frequency. So now, this law of vibration, many scientists, again, very famous scientists like Albert Einstein, also spoke about law of vibration. He said everything in this universe is energy, and that's all there is. If you want to manifest something, match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but to get what you really want. So this is not philosophy, this is physics, as per Albert Einstein. So what that means is many people want they have a desire, they have a dream. Okay, I want this car, for example. But if they are vibrating at a very low frequency, it is very impossible to get that dream or a desire, right? So you got to vibrate at that level. So this is very important. So many people think, okay, I'm just thinking of this beautiful car which I want and I'm going to get it. But that's not right. There's much more to this. You have to be in harmony with the law of vibration. So you have to match your beliefs of getting that car. That is when you are vibrating at that frequency. So this is how it works, right? So, for example, everything in this universe is vibrating, everything vibrates at a certain frequency. Say, for example, if I want to send you a message, what do? I pick up my phone and then I take your number and then I send you a message and you get that message. So, how is this happening? It is happening at that vibration. So, I need to match your number to get send you that message, and in order for you to get that message, you got to be in that same vibration. So this is exactly how it works. So if somebody wants to have a beautiful car of their desire, they got to vibrate, they got to be in harmony with that dream that they wanted. So that's when they can start attracting. So law of attraction is the secondary law. Law of vibration is the primary law. You got to vibrate at that frequency.